Alright guys, we're now going to go ahead and go through the 3 steps on how to speed up your computer. And like I said in the previous video, and I'll just recap for you, the reasons your computer might be running slow is because too many programs might be running, might have spyware and viruses, or it might be outdated. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to fix the problem of too many programs running. On Windows 7 and below, you click on Start, and then on the search section here type in msconfig, and open up the one that says msconfig.exe right here. Go to the startup tab right here and actually click on disable all button right here, and then go back and enable only your antivirus. So if you have antivirus, you enable only your antivirus. Alright, click apply, click OK. It wants you to restart. The effects won't be through till you restart. For now, just click on exit without restart. And right there, you just fix your problem with too many programs running. Now let's go ahead and work on getting rid of any possible spyware and viruses on your computer. The first program we're going to use is called CCleaner. So on Google, type in CCleaner, and here it is. Click on the first one that pops up, the first link. Click on the free download button. Scroll down and click on the green download button here under the free row here. Click download. And if you have to, click on start download right here and it'll start it. Once you download and install it, this is what it looks like. Oh, sorry about that. Where is it? Right here. This is what it looks like here. Very simple. Just go ahead and click on run cleaner here. So what this does first is it cleans up your computer from what's called temp files. And those are files that stick on your computer every time you're in the internet. The more you use your internet, the more of them you'll have, and the slower your computer will be. And this is vital to do before we go after those the spyware. So this will run for a bit, and it'll finish. There it goes. Once it finishes, it'll tell you how much it deleted. And this not only will speed up your computer, but it'll save you more space. As you can tell here, it cleaned up 1 gig and 46 megabytes of data. Now that is amazing. Let's go ahead and close this guy. Now the next program you're going to need is called Super Anti-Spyware. Here it is. Go to Google, type in Super Anti-Spyware. Keep in mind all these programs are free. You should never, and I'm going to repeat, you should never have to pay for antivirus programs or anti-spyware programs unless you're buying very good programs that do things for you. Alright. So go ahead and click on Super Anti-Spyware here. Click on free edition download and it'll start to download. Once you download it, this is what it looks like here. What you want to do is click on scan this computer. Make sure you click here complete scan. It's got to be a complete scan. And this will take anywhere from 15 minutes up to hours depending on your computer, if it's really slow or if you have a lot of stuff on your computer, a lot of files. And this is going to take a while. And that is pretty much it, guys. That's all you do. Once it finds what's wrong with your computer here, it is a really easy to use program. You just click next, 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 remove, next, boom, and that's it. Then you restart your computer real quick, and when you restart your computer, you're going to notice your computer running a heck of a lot faster, guys. And one last thing, guys, even after you do this, if your computer is still really slow, it means your computer might be outdated and it is due for an upgrade. Now the way you could check this is you go to start, right click my computer here. This is for Windows 7 and below, and I'll show you how to do it on Windows 10. And here it'll tell you the information. If you got less than 4 gigs of RAM, you're in trouble, guys. You gotta have at least 4 or more these days. If you have only 2, you're in trouble. That's why your computer's slow. So this is where you could tell. Oh, and one thing I forgot to show you guys how to stop the programs from running on Windows 10. Sorry about that, guys. Let's go back. So to do it on Windows 10, really easy. So here you are on Windows 10. I'm running a virtual machine. What you do, you right click the taskbar down here, go to Task Manager, go to Startup right here, and right here you can see all your programs running. Alright, you can right click the one you don't want running and click on disable. Boom, and you'll do that to all of them except your antivirus program. Okay, so right click and disable all of them except your antivirus program. And that's how you do it on Windows 10. Sorry about that, guys. I was doing it on Windows 7 and below, but that's how you do it on Windows 10. I just showed you right now how to do that. And that is it, guys. Hopefully you guys got some good wisdom out of this video and it helped you guys speed up your computer. Let me know if it did. Like the video if it did. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment on the comment section of the video, and I will be glad to answer any questions you guys have. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any video ideas, because I'm making a lot of videos nowadays. So if you want me to make a video on something, how to do certain thing on a computer, printer, network, go ahead and shoot me that question and I will answer it for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next video.